Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to create a broadcast message on your Veertly event. Such a message is an announcement to all event attendees. Doesn't matter if they are on the main stage, in a room, in a networking session, they will get this message. So when entering the event, you simply click on the left hand side on the broadcast tab, say create a broadcast, and then you can enter your message, in this case, hello world, welcome to this interactive workshop, have fun. And then you can either save it as a draft or directly publish it to all attendees. So let's first save it as a draft. You can see it on the left hand side, it's popping up. You can still go in and say edit it if you want to change it, say some thumbs up. You can again save it as a draft. You can also delete it, or you can all the time decide to publish it. So let's go ahead and publish this message. You need to confirm to send this broadcast message because it will really be sent to everyone on the event. And that's exactly how your attendees will also see the message. So it will be popping up as an announcement with your message that you have predefined, and they need to click it away to accept the message. So it's an amazing, easily to use feature to inform your attendees, first of all, to welcome them, to share some sponsor messages. You can also use it to bring them back after a breakout session to the main stage. So for example, prepare the second message here to say create a second one. Just enter a message, say the presentation on the main stage will resume in 3 minutes. Get ready to come back for the closing speech, and you can then go ahead and publish it directly. Again, this is how it will be shown to the attendees. You can click it away. I can also show it to you from another profile. So here you can see I'm in the event currently on the main stage with another profile, and the person will also see the announcement. So you can click OK, and the people can continue to watch the presentation on the main stage. That's it. So you can go ahead, test it, play around with it. You can create broadcast messages ahead of the event, so really to be prepared when the event starts. Enjoy and have fun.